सबसे पहले मैं गर्भवती जब गर्भ धारण कर लेती हैं तो सहिया दीदी या किसी से अगर मुझे पता चलता है तो आती है मेरे यहाँ, और उसके बाद मैं गृह भ्रमण के द्वारा मैं तुरंत देखती हूँ कि कहीं एनीमिक तो नहीं होती जा रही है। उसके बाद मैं तुरंत आँख देखती हूँ, नाखून देखती हूँ और जीभ देखती हूँ। उजला रंग दिखाई देता है तो वो एनीमिक होती जाती है।
In Jharkhand, the situation of anemia is quite grave. The person starts forgetting, they are not able to concentrate on their jobs. They feel tired very soon doing anything. We should be worried about anemia because it actually reduces the productivity of a person, particularly for pregnant women because it contributes to the maternal mortality. Lives can be lost. The woman of Jharkhand is a very hard working woman. Her care is very much neglected. If we can make her aware, if we can make the community aware about the health needs, particularly in times of pregnancy and lactation, I think the woman of Jharkhand would stand to gain in terms of her health and also in terms of her children's health.
A to Z project was launched in November 2005. The purpose of the program here in Jharkhand was to understand the micronutrient deficiencies on the target segment based women and children. Gradually, over a period of time, the whole strategy was formulated, understanding the problem, and then the technical assistance took place, supporting the government in carrying the program in a very right direction. We identified 4 key areas where intervention is required. It was found that everything is fine. You built up the capacity of the frontline service provider. You have enormous number of behavioral change communication exercises at the community level. You have a very good monitoring, reporting and documentation procedure. But if you don't have these micronutrient drugs at the right time, at the right place, then the whole program will fail.
आयरन की गोली अभी मेरे पास उपलब्ध है, करीब 2 माह तक मेरे पास है। ये पहले 4-5 माह पहले हमारे पास नहीं थी, लेकिन A to Z के माध्यम से सबसे पहले वो रांची, उसके बाद हमारे जिला हजारीबाग में आई, उसके बाद हमारे केंद्र में आई और उसके बाद मैं गर्भवती महिला को देती हूँ, समय पे देती हूँ ताकि वो समय से खा सके और सही उसका इसे कर सके।
Since AEDs started working in Jharkhand, it has increased the convergence of different agencies which are working at the grassroots level.
This is a very important program. AED has been providing with lot of technical assistance, whether it being in communication, whether it being supply and logistics, whether it being technical inputs in terms of the technical guidelines to be formed for execution of the program.
In say 5 years' time, we will see definitely a change in the maternal mortality rates, in the infant mortality rates, and also in the general indices of health in Jharkhand.